So here you can see this is Claude free version, and if we want to use like Claude Opus 4.8, we need to upgrade. So I will show you a website where you can use Opus 4.8 for free, no credit card required. So you have to come to this website, and after that you have to sign up. So click here and you can sign up any of with your Gmail. Okay, so I already used this account. So when you first create this account, you will get 300 credits. So every day you will get 300 credits. So let me show you. Here is the add credit. If you go here, you will see like every day 300 bonus credits per day. So you can do your small works from this AI. So let me show you. So I build a landing page, and it cost me like 100 credits. Still I have here 209 credits. You can do your regular task with this AI like a premium model. I will show you like what is this model. So I send a question like which model you are, and it answered Claude Opus 4.8. So this is Claude Opus 4.8. You can use it for free. So you will get 300 credits every day. And if you have like another email, you can log in with another email, and you will get 300 credits. So this is how you can use this for your regular small task. I hope this video will be helpful. Let's see you in the next video. Thanks.